In this video, we will demonstrate re-termination of a Cleerline SSF 8K UHD HDMI active optical cable with fiber optic connectors. Each Cleerline SSF 8K AOC contains 4 strands of SSF 5125 micron multimode optical fiber. Cables can be re-terminated in case of damage or to allow for future display resolutions such as 16K. Required materials are a fiber optic cleaver adjusted for use with Cleerline SSF optical fiber, fiber optic cutting shears, a visual fault locator, fiber optic strippers, and wire strippers. Additionally, 5125 micron multimode fiber optic connectors are required with 900 micron buildup tubes. In this video, we demonstrate termination with one SSF-SC connector. If installing more than one connector, a 4-strand 900 micron fan-out kit is also recommended. For full instructions on SSF fiber termination, refer to the instructional resources at cleerlinefiber.com. Cut off one end of the HDMI active optical cable. Using wire strippers, remove 6 inches of cable jacket working in 2 3-inch increments. Locate white 900 micron tube containing fibers. Separate from other internal cables and aramid yarns. Trim additional cables. This process follows all steps for installation of SC connectors with SSF fiber and 900 micron tubing. If installing an LC connector, refer to the LC connector with 900 micron tubing instructions for cleave lengths. If terminating 2 to 4 fibers, a Cleerline 4-strand fan-out kit is recommended. For this demonstration, we are only installing one connector. If installing a fan-out kit, refer to fan-out kit instructions. Unscrew connector boot and slide onto 900 micron fiber tube. Install 900 micron buildup tube included with SSF connector pack on fiber tube. Using the 900 micron opening on the fiber optic strippers, remove 2 inches of cable tube jacket. Separate fibers. If only installing one connector, trim other fibers close to jacket. Remove cover and dust cap from connector. Turn on VFL and attach SC connector. Open connector hinge. Using only fingertips or nails, completely remove colored 250 micron soft peel coating from fiber, stopping at end of 900 micron tube. Measuring from 900 micron tube, cleave fiber. For SSF-SC, the cleave length is 16 millimeters. For SSF-LC, the cleave length is 12 millimeters. Insert fiber into rear of connector until a slight bow is created and the light emitting from the connector window dims or extinguishes. Slide activator tab towards connector tip. Remove connector from VFL and install dust cap. Slide build-up tube forward and seat in rear of connector. Ensure fiber is straight and close hinge. Tighten boot until secure. Install connector cover. The termination is now complete. For more information, visit us online at cleerlinefiber.com.